How to use free hit on FPL. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application FPL. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to Fantasy at the bottom of the screen. The option of transfers will be visible to you. Head over to it. It will be taking you to this page. Now actually if you want to replace someone, what you want to do is click on the player that you want to replace. The option of replace will be visible to you. Click on it. So from here, you will generally make the transfers. So what the free hit chip does is, for one game week only, you will have the opportunity to use infinite transfers. The transferring process will be free. Once the game week is over, your transfer will return to, or your team will return to the state it was in before you have made a transfer. So from here, select any of the specific player that you want. Once you have selected, tap on next at the bottom right corner of the screen. One confirmation button will appear on your screen. All you want to do is click on it, and then the transfer will be done. This way, you will be able to replace any of the player that you want to. But you should know that it will only be available or valid for a week. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can use free hit on FPL. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.